Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem the Walmart Plus with your American Express Platinum card. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more content related to this. And with that being said, let's get started. So first thing you do is you log into your American Express. You go to Benefits. Right, let's go scroll down. Here we go. New Walmart Plus monthly membership credit. A Walmart Plus membership gives you free same-day delivery on groceries from store where available, free shipping with no minimum on items shipped by Walmart, and more. Use your Platinum card to pay for a monthly Walmart Plus membership and receive a statement credit that covers the full cost each month. So I'm gonna hit learn more before we sign up. So we're here. Go Walmart Plus Amex Platinum, sign up with Walmart Plus monthly membership, or log into existing Walmart Plus membership. Enter your Platinum card as a payment method. If you currently have annual Walmart Plus membership, you must switch to a Walmart Plus monthly membership before your annual membership ends and add your eligible card to receive credit. Walmart Plus monthly membership will start when your annual membership ends. Annual Walmart Plus memberships do not qualify for statement credit. So you have to do it monthly, and you'll receive a statement credit each month that covers the full cost of monthly membership, typically in a few days, but can take up to 6 to 8 weeks after the membership fee is charged to your card. All right, here's additional terms. You can read through this. All right. So I'll get started. Enjoy a complimentary Walmart Plus membership with your Platinum card. Get $12.95 plus taxes and statement credits each month. Get early access to Black Friday. Free shipping, no minimum orders as long as it's shipped by Walmart. Free delivery from store. You get discount on prescriptions, and you get discount on price on fuel and scan and go, which is pretty nice. You don't have to wait in line, just scan everything as you go and then pay and exit the store. All right, so here's some frequent questions. What is Walmart Plus? What's included? Download. Can you download to use the Walmart Plus app? Some benefits, yeah. Where can I manage Walmart Plus plan? Walmart Plus account page. Who would I contact to help? Walmart Help Center. Okay. It's included and benefits. All the benefits are right here. All right. And you can read the Amex benefit terms if you want. You just navigate back to this page. So let's go back. All right. So we went through all that, and now we'll hit get started. And it's showing my visa, which is not supposed to show it. So there you go. Now we add the card. Okay, so now I have the correct card. So I'm gonna do American Express, Platinum card, join W Plus, Walmart Plus with Platinum card. All right, click on that. And then we are here in the Walmart Plus dashboard. Okay, so here's all the benefits again. This is a new benefit. And you see it charged right away. Okay, our member says $68 and 10 hours per month on average. Restore delivery. And then you can manage membership. And you see it's a monthly plan, and I'm using my Amex card. Okay, there you go. That's how you sign up for Walmart Plus with the Amex Platinum card. Hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.